The manager overrides of OpSuite POS are an invaluable tool for retailers, allowing staff to easily handle exceptions, address pricing errors, and provide exceptional customer service. By implementing clear policies, providing comprehensive training, and utilizing certain best practices, retailers can ensure that manager overrides are used effectively and responsibly, contributing to a thriving and customer-focused business. In this video, we'll provide a few scenarios of some common restrictions and overrides for entry-level cashiers. In our first example, we will add a couple items to our transaction and attempt to remove tax on one item. Typically, Positive does not suggest allowing a new cashier role to remove tax and does not allow a manager override. Conversely, we may allow a cashier to agree to a discount on an item with a manager approval. In this case, the manager will be required to enter his or her PIN to grant the discount before completing the transaction. Positive can recommend that retailers allow cashiers to perform validated returns when the receipt is presented. The cashier easily scans the receipt, and the transaction is recalled with the original discounts already applied. Certain tenders like on-account and credit cards are tokenized, requiring the transaction to be returned to the same account or card, respectively. Performing a return without a receipt is a different situation. After recalling a transaction from history, a manager override is immediately required before starting the return. Since the original transaction was paid by check, most stores will configure OpSuite to allow a return to any tender. If a different tender is selected by the cashier, Positive still recommends another override before completing the transaction as a best practice. In our final example, we start with a transaction that totals nearly $400. After converting the transaction to a work order, OpSuite adjusts the deposit to a configurable amount, in this case 50%. If the customer requests to change the deposit up or down, then a manager approval is required. After the approval, the cashier can enter the new deposit and complete the order. While we focused on returns, price adjustments, and deposit changes, manager overrides can be used in numerous other scenarios within an OpSuite store. From handling cash payouts to allowing store and forward credit cards, overrides provide flexibility and efficiency. By mastering the use of manager overrides, you'll be well equipped to address a wide range of challenges and ensure a smooth and successful operation.